Good morning. Welcome to Sky Travel. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. I would like to book a flight to Tokyo next week.
Of course. May I ask which day next week you'd like to travel?
I'd like to travel on Wednesday, preferably in the morning.
Let me check. There's a flight that departs at 9:15 a.m. on Wednesday. Would that work for you?
Yes, that works perfectly. How much is the ticket?
The ticket costs $300. Would you like to proceed with the booking?
Yes, I'd like to confirm the booking now.
Great. May I have your full name and passport number, please?
My name is Anna Lee, and my passport number is B1245678.
Thank you, Miss Lee. Your flight has been successfully booked. You will receive your e-ticket via email.
That's great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime.
I will. Have a nice day.
Have a pleasant flight and a wonderful trip to Tokyo.
Thank you. Goodbye. See you in the next video.